CK.
Come down, sit at the top. Yeah, he's talking to assistant thing. Down.
Are you aware that you're biting more than you can chew? A verdict was passed on this land. I guess you value this land more than your life.
Okwajiofo, I only begged for the consideration. My great-grandfather farmed on this land. My grandfather farmed on this land. My own father farmed on this land. Where will my own be different? This is the land I get my produce to train my children. My sons depend on this land.
Anna CK. I am going to bury you together with your children on this land. And I will still build what I want to build on the land. You dare question my order? You are asking me, why will your own be different?
Now you need that like this. How you go they need that for this small boy? I better stand up for here. I go they need that for this small boy now. You who you be? How you go they? I go tell a darling man like this making it that for center of the road for you. Who you be? You don't get respect. Your mama don't teach you respect. What did they worry you? What did they worry you? You don't get respect. And they ask you stand there, they look me like Oshichikparonko.
You are talking to get power.
Which can hear power? Power where they carry bodyguard, that one a power.
Shut up, you!
What you want? What you want? What you want? You the craze. Oh, man.
We want peace in the land, but we cannot have it. Chukwuwe no bodo biake. Hardship has come. Chukwuwe no mado biake neli. People are crying, they want their justice. Chukwuwe no bodo biake neli. Fear in the land. Onyeka igabakuru no bodo. Chukwuwe no bodo biake neli.
You caused a scene in the village, at the middle of the road.
I corrected a disorder. Public correction brings public fear.
Fear is unstable when it cracks. You let a girl assault you, Okwajiofo, and she's not ordinary.
Say what you know. I allowed her reveal herself. No one is ordinary when they are ignorant of danger.
She was not ignorant.
What do you sense?
I sense persistence. Not from her mouth, but within her.
I felt it too.
Then why do you not silence her immediately? What does he think he's doing?
I can't believe that Chisom, I mean that arrogant girl, won't allow us to join peace for the first time. Since Akwajuafo are choosing peace.
Defending one of us is not wrong. But with that approach, she's putting us in danger.
Are you the one saying this? Chisom is just like her late father. Akwajuafo just like a bone in our throat.
And what do you suggest?
Since when did the villagers regain courage?
Since someone reminded them it exists.
Courage spreads like infection.
Especially when it's fearless.
The spirit must be consulted.
Chisom, you have set something in motion.
You good now? Everywhere quiet before.
Some quietness sometimes is survivor.
Survivor where they keep dignity, no be survivor.
And was that why you embarrassed the man in public?
Man, where they embarrass all the elders where they this village because person don't stand up to them. Come still use the same ebrebo jam mine does woru mine no some no embarrassment be munyere una collect to have embarrassment. Eso kubem na gwagia.
The man in question thrives in dominance. You challenge his image, Chisom.
Image when no get substance, it go fade. And that one no be image, because that one are just ordinary paper. What did they take right and charcoal? If I pour water, it go just clear.
Are we still talking about the same land matter?
If no be land, what will they talk? Now land now they cause all the whole trouble where they happen for this village now. If you know they go about, they collect people land. She will go, me and you go stand here, they talk this thing.
Chisom, this man is in control. He has built fear into the bone of every single villager. You want what idea?
Bone, they break.
When bone breaks, he hurts. He hurts like mad.
Now who in bone break, now they feel the pains. No be who break him. And me, Chisom, I go break in bone and then go feel the pains.
Wow.
But make I ask you, you dey fear?
I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid though. I'm just aware.
Aware of waiting.
Aware that the man in question has a way he does his things. He isolates, he manipulates, and then he sends people to attack for him.
How am I sure say he never isolate you, I be manipulate you? Because I don't see how man we don't grow like you. We tell Joa who jurugonu ya guzogo ya na tunwa takri hawa hunyere.
But this is not wrestling.
This is what?
Ezibog, like face to face, it's happening real.
Oh yeah, no yeah.
Then expose him carefully, not emotionally.
Carefully? For man when they knock people, mama. You dey talk like this because he never knock your mama. You dey talk like this because this man never touch your mama, arrange your mama. Now I make you stand like this, they tell me say to follow him carefully.
Jesus, not when we are talking about a man who fits in chaos. Onwetegi.
You dey talk like say you don't study him.
Yes, so I have.
Because of your papa?
Yes.
He collect on land too?
Yes, so listen, my father was accused. He was accused of insulting the shrine. A couple of months later, everything was taken from him, like nothing. I am not just saying it out of saying sake.
And you just stand there, they watch.
Chisom, I was very young, very, very young. And the village was silent. There was nothing I could do.
Young?
Yes, very
How
very
old
young.
were you then? You and Okwajiofo, una no be age mates. How many years that boy takes senior you? I be no be even senior am. Well, if all of na they keep quiet, me I no go silent. Person need challenge am, and that person na Chisom.
Then what is very simple, don't act alone.
You won't join me?
Not emotionally, strategically, then I deal with you full time. Wherever, however.
No wahala now. So bad. But just know say me I know they fear am.
I'm just
anyhow when you want am, me go collect am. Because me I dey. I dey. Na me be Chisom. Akwa akuru one isha gboncha. Odun keke mire. Wana ya tireka na lute no bu mu futa. Mbosha amuru mu mbosha ho ma ya na atu egwu. Imeni ha woro roba ma gbawa gi shiche no ngure egwu mu kpo na eme. Amanze.
Omo ke na chokwa body rubber.
Okay, water ko shidrum no obu. Na water. No dey play.
Please give me water. I want to drink water.
You want to drink my water? You no road to your house. I don't follow me. I use it to blow your head. Come on.
The market is restless.
Restlessness spreads quickly.
She has become a symbol.
Symbols are dangerous.
Only if they have believed.
They are starting to believe.
You sound concerned.
I am practical.
Say it clearly.
If fear weakens, your influence weakens too.
Then we intensify fear.
That may accelerate resistance.
Then, what do you suggest?
You expose her publicly. Not physically, but psychologically.
How?
You expose a weak point.
You're thinking?
I am always thinking.
You are splitting the wood as if it has offended you. Huh? Look at the energy you are putting to split wood.
Wood when no green split, na energy go collect na. No be so.
Everything is not about wood. The villagers, they are talking. The whole village, they are talking.
Mama. Mama, no, just start with me this afternoon. What did they talk? Mama, make them talk now. I said make them talk. Because of that small boy, Okwajiofo, the whole village is come they fear am, saying be waiting. Waiting it be. Mama, person is stand up, challenge that boy. And that person and me, Chisom, your daughter.
You see the way you embarrassed him publicly.
Eh? Mama, now he first embarrass that old man, oh. Now he first embarrass that old man. I didn't know embarrass that man. I for not near him. I for not talk to him. Now so this small boy, that small boy, they embarrass every elder for this village. They collect what you not be on. Say what happen now, Mama. You never even see anything. Nkaka bumbido. I can hear you knock. Knock by elege.
Chisom, things are not done this way in this village. Things are not done in this way in this village. Yes,
Mama. Now why the village rotting like this? Because things are not done like that, Abi. Now why the whole village rotting? Everybody they fear them. Everybody go just they look and they alarm. They do what they want to do. Say be waiting. Mama, na me be APC for this village. And change don't come. Everybody guys accept them. Come carbochi ko je ko emene ko gbari jebe o. O esiri no make am car. Nyasta kai chief man. Alwo amaru be na bonke boke. Mani ke peka adrebo pona here. Na ota?
Chisom, do you think courage alone is enough? Courage alone is not enough, my dear. It's not enough.
Mama, courage is more than enough. Courage dey more than enough for this matter. People no go dey live for fear now. Me, I no go dey live for fear. I no go watch you dey live for fear because of Okwajofo. It no go fit happen again. If it happened before, now. Now change with day. APC.
But Chisom, this same fear you are talking about kept us alive since your father died.
Hey! Mama, my papa no die because of fear. Now shame. Now
stop, Chisom! Your father refused to bow. Your father refused to
You see, Mama? My papa na man in be. You see, I say my papa na man in be. He didn't no bow for that small boy. And he no go ever bow. Even in spirit, he no go bow. And me when be Chisom, he representative. I no go bow for Kwajofo. I no go bow. Lie. And the day where I go show who I really be, my colors no go make gala way. That day boy yama na esoku na chimkum na zigdigba. Kushike. Make one gatum. Money one gato e chinye vnuzo. Mama, not till I fear here. Jerem bijeko kam waran kam nawa.
You had landed your father. Look at you had landed your father, Chisom.
Mama, you know fi land us. And the day when that boy, that small boy, won't bash in the Kenya, go look you less, say you be woman, say make you bow for him. That day, I'm married Benabonke Boke. Me peke me adrebo upon life. Mama so come na wago. Iya ka kwa bombido. Ki woro ngogo no daga half mu no ga. No mo bonyo atoro. Mama joko ya lu onu. Mama di joko ya bunkem. Person need challenge that boy.
So, do you think courage is all you need? Courage is not enough. I am your mother. I carried you for 9 months. I will not watch you walk run into danger. I will not. So I will not.
Mama, make I tell you, danger day before we come, and danger go day as we go. But na person, na I need face that danger. Now who survive? Now go plant cola for him papa house. I don't fear danger. I no dey fear anything. No be that small boy now I go fear. Make the danger come, make you face am one-on-one. Onye door or kumoji.
You are restless.
I do not enjoy disruption.
Then remove it.
Not blindly.
You hesitate.
I calculate.
Okwajofo, the girl is gathering attention.
Attention fades.
Not when it feeds on truth.
Truth, they say, is subjective.
Fear is temporary.
Gather the guards. We will pay her a visit.
Okay.
Mama, stand up now. This small boy now in the bar for. What to be your own again?
I, Okwajiofo, I have come here for one purpose. This house, including this land, belongs to my shrine. Atakata Abo is giving you 7 days to vacate this premises. Thus, if you love your life.
Okwajofo, or whatever you call yourself, you get mind. You get mind, carry this your 2 legs, enter my papa house, say you won't collect my papa house, my papa land. What did they worry you? You dey craze? I be starting to enter your head. See, make I tell you, you see you and that your yeye shrine, now thunder now go fire all of now.
Jesus, respect.
Mama, what is it?
Respect him, please. Jesus, please, respect him.
Woman, I am not here to exchange words with your daughter. Because even Atakata Abo will reject her. She's useless. She cannot be used for sacrifice. I don't know what to do with her. So I am telling you, if you like your life, vacate these premises in 7 days.
Oh, waiting. What's gonna happen? You know if you do anything. Not if you do anything. What you gonna do if you not vacate here in 7 days? Mama, stand up. Please. Mama, stand up.
Let me remain like this. Please, I beg you.
Mama, stand up. I don't like this way they do.
I beg you. Be good. Ah, please.
Mama, leave me. So you would have kill me. Mama, leave me.
It's not possible. I can't do that. You people want me to surrender the only land that my father left for me. Talk about your phone. It can never happen. It's not possible. Nonsense.
When he took my land and that which my in-laws left for my wife, what did we do?
You claim to be the chosen one when Okwajiofo speaks. You and I knows that the gods of our land can never demand for that which we use for survival.
Anosike, you are talking and I am here staring at you. We have no other option than to obey the one chosen by the gods after the chosen one has died.
The gods of our land can never hurt, steal, starve the people he's choosing to guide. I'm out of here.
Meaning, away from what I clear.
How
are you? Chisom, I use this time to thank you for the other day. And I want to advise you, be careful of this young man for your safety and for that of my family.
That will not be anything now. But I not run the package based on say you dey special. I just do am based on say I no like how that small boy go dey do anyhow dey treat others, dey treat people for this village because say him be Okwajiofo, I be Okwaji nothing. So I just want place am where him belong.
The fatherly advice: stay away from this young man. He's deadly. Please. Thank you very much.
Okay now, Anosike, I don't hear you now. I'm on face front.
We want peace in the land, but we cannot have it. Chukumwe no bodo biakeneli. Sorrows everywhere, hardship has come. Chukumwe no mado biakeneli.
The girl is becoming a symbol.
Symbols are stronger than men sometimes.
Not when crushed early.
Crushing creates matters.
You sound worried.
I am practical.
You're also my blood.
cousin, not a slave.
Family serves strength.
Or suffer from it.
Tonight, we strengthen the bond.
The ritual is becoming frequent.
Power must constantly be fed.
Amaze. You come again?
Yes, so I came because I heard what your mother said.
Which part?
That your late father was spiritually attacked. Chisom, you have to be careful, very careful.
Careful no go bring justice. Na true I dey tell you.
Justice without survival is useless, Chisom.
You dey talk like say you be lawyer. Which time you can't take become lawyer now?
Obodokwaiye lawyer, this fight is not physical. I know why I'm saying what I'm saying. Well, do you think something is protecting you?
Amaze. Maybe. I don't really know. Just maybe.
Chisom, I am very sure you're not alone.
You sure say you still there with me?
I deal with you. I deal with you full time. Just call me anytime, any day. I deal with you.
Mama, ọ gịnịkwa?
Chisom, I'm afraid.
Mama, fear na normal thing. But no let time they control you. I dey your back. When I dey your back, Mama. It's okay. Everything will be alright. So you say one chop, ma go arrange am for you. You do to put your chicha, okpa, igbango, plantain and beans. Just name anything where you want chop. I go arrange am for you, Nana. Sharp.
It's not about food. It's not about food.
It's about fear. Mama, now who dey alive now they fear. But I say me no fear because Chisom, your daughter, I dey your back. Apin, nothing dey happen. So relax, your belly not supposed to empty. Ma go arrange something for you, make chop. Sure you get. I dey come, ma bring food for you.
Somi, you're becoming very difficult to read, though.
Good. My name is not supposed to read me like book.
You think Ogwejofo is just only angry?
He dey fear too.
But you know, fear makes a man very dangerous.
You dey fear?
Yes, now. Fear, why not? Fear is the only thing that keeps me calculating. Instead, I can go your saying about.
What did that one come me? Sometimes rushing they save life. Sure you know.
Sometimes you said. I found out something about your late father.
Talk am.
So your father did not just fight Okwajiofo. He fought the source of his power.
Which source?
The bond between him and Uju. They are not just cousins.
I know. The ritual bond.
Yes.
So what you want to tell me?
Just be looking.
Amanze.
Ne.
Careful no go win this fight.
But at least it keeps you alive long enough to win. Mobuka naturally win.
Amanze, make I ask you.
I'm hearing you.
You care about me?
I don't care about you. Will I be bothered and be trying to...
You are planning something.
I'm always planning.
You are becoming obsessed with her.
The girl is becoming dangerous.
Dangerous because she speaks? Or because she carries something you cannot control?
Do not question my orders.
I am your blood, not your follower.
Blood obeys destiny.
Or destroys it.
Tonight, perform a stronger ritual for protection.
At what cost?
Cost does not matter in war.
Jason, what is it? Mama! Huh? Mama! Okay. You damn mouth, they ask me what is it? Mama, I swear to God who made heaven and earth, if no be say you be my mama, the kind slap where for land you for face, on top this your question, you go question yourself whether now you truly born me. Mama, so you know what taking my papa? You know what take by my papa, you know tell me. I could hear round for mouth of people for village, now villagers, now siders, now I could hear what do my papa, and be are you there for this house? Jesus. Mama, you know say papa death no be ordinary death. Why you not tell me? Why you not tell me what happened to my papa?
Who told you all this?
Does it matter? You know I be you no know. You know say my papa death no be ordinary death I be you no know, and you don't fit tell me I can't hear am outside.
Jesus, your father knew he was going to die.
Papa knew say he die, and you say will be my mama no say my papa go die, and you don't tell me I can't hear am outside. Hey mama, if no be say you be my mama, yeah. Oh, what thing I go do you now, mama? You no go believe him. You no go believe him. Hi. Oh, mama, why? Why, mama?
It's because your late father believed that someone must stand, Chiso. Yes.
My papa believes say somebody go stand.
Yes.
My papa believes say somebody go stand. Yes. No wahala, mama. Me wey be Chisom, I don't rise and I go stand. I go pin, and I go continue where my papa stop. And anybody for this land wey won't stop me, this land go swallow them, and this land go bear me witness. So, mama, it pass so many way. She make a for. Mama, I don't want to do something. Mama, she not cook for. She not cook for. Mama.
Papa.
Father, I have run and I am tired of running. I promise you today that I will finish what you've started. And that is your promise.
Jason! Son, G! Tiaro, come out! Jesus!
Amansi, you again? Yeah? You like my house, so you don't get house. What did they worry yourself? Every time morning I go see you, afternoon I go see you, night I go see you. I bet you go reduce how they take come this house before my mama go begin to think another thing. Yeah?
Are you done? Listen, now your courage. Now you always carry me come. You will be monkey.
Which courage? So you will be man, why you no get courage? You will be man, we suppose get courage. You no get courage. Now woman, I can't they motivate you on top courage matter. No, you supposed to they motivate me for courage. So if they ask you now, you go say they find woman come because of courage. You know that shame?
Does it matter who is motivating who?
Make I tell you, courage you know they fit personal. No, they whine me with this courage matter.
Well, at least courage keeps you alive.
Amanze.
Make
I ask you, if war come now, You no go run.
Akwa akwulu.
Onye wa akwa akuru.
Nenu nwoke.
Gi wan akwa akuru. You come dey find woman dey come because of courage. Make I check am. Nothing dey here now. O nwere ihe dey ebe ahụ. No way here there, but akwa gi na we da.
Asi.
Now why you dey follow me? You dey run me so that me I go dey back you.
Akwa.
So that I go dey back you. But no wahala sha. Come make we go down that tree make I reason your matter.
Food, don't know what you should know. Let's.
Which your food? I beg if na food you find come up from my house. What dey worry?
Going too far.
Power requires sacrifice.
At some point, power begins to control you.
We want peace in the land, but we cannot have it. Chukwuwe n'obodo bịa keneli. Sorrows everywhere, hardship has come. Chukwuwe n'obodo bịa keneli. People are crying, they want their justice. Chukwuwe n'obodo bịa keneli. Fear in the land. Onye ka ị ga-agbakụrụ n'obodo Chukwuwe n'obodo bịa keneli.
Last warning.
You don't talk that one before. Talk another thing.
You will learn the hard way.
Okwajofo, I know they fear you. Make your hard way. Try me. Are they ready? 247. You don't have to do me anything. Shall you grab? You fit do anything. Okwajofo, as much as you do.
Chiso, my daughter.
Yes, Mama.
I want you to know that he will try to hurt you with those you trust.
I know, Mama. I know saying go try. But no worry. I no go lose guard. Yeah, Mama.
I'm glad to hear that. At the same time, you have to be very careful with that boy, Amazi.
Amazi? But why, Mama? You know Amazi is my close person.
That is because love is the weapon.
Mama don't carry love matter enter this talk now.
Is that not Mama Chisom?
Iche.
Mwanyoma.
Good day.
Good day. Thank the gods it crossed my path today.
Iche, this one that you're speaking like this, I hope there's no problem.
Anyway, for weeks now, we've been wanting to see your daughter, Chisom, but she refused coming. And that is sacrilege.
Oh, Iche, I'm so sorry. I was not aware. I'm so sorry. Now that I know, I'll talk to her so both of you can see. Bikomi.
Not that I'm the one trying to see her, but the elders in council sent Ichie Ifedi and myself to bring her their message.
Ichi, if you say there is no problem, she will attend to your call. I'll make sure she does that.
Please do. It's very important.
Okay.
It's very important.
I should be on my way.
Okay.
Send me hi to the family.
All right.
I was saying, you not going to see the elders, you refusing to see them is disrespectful. Not only to them, but to your late father's grave. You know your late father was one of the elders. Please, you just have to do something. You have to.
These elders wey they talk. No be they talk say me are they stubborn. They say are they stubborn now. These people don't talk plenty bad things for my head. When I know say I not do them any bad thing. Now you say make I still go. Mama, I don't see anybody.
My dear, I understand you perfectly well. I'm aware of all these things that you said. But still, you have to go and see them. Hey, my dear, what do you want them to grant us? Do you want that for us? No, Nambano. Bikono, my daughter. Huh? Just look at me. Look at us. Your father is no longer here. It's just both of us. Bikono. Please, my daughter.
I don't hear.
You do that for me.
I don't hear. Mama.
Oh, my daughter, Chinchim, the child that opened my womb. I am proud of you, my daughter. I'm proud of you. God will bless you for me. I'm happy. Chim.
Sum, you look very quiet today. Okay.
Sometimes quiet, they're louder than shouting.
Abi, you're thinking about what your mother said.
Yes, and they think
About your father's death, Abi. Chai. I understand. Anyways, I found something else about your late father.
What do you find? I better talk on.
Okwajiofo did not kill your father physically. He isolated your father spiritually and socially.
I don't understand. Explain what you mean by this your talk.
Okay. Your late father lost protection when people stopped speaking for him.
So, now village silence now came my papa.
Bam, in what sense? Exactly.
I go break that silence. I said I go break that silence.
Why your mama?
I go break that silence. And una go feel am.
Una kwa. No be me and you dey talk. Or kwa una. Wetin concern me concern osim una.
Chiso, my daughter.
Yes,
do you know that the villagers, they are talking about you?
Mama, that one no be new thing now. People must talk. Make them talk, now then get their mouth. Mouth now for talking now. Cho. Mama, no be so.
Yeah, so.
Eh.
The amazing part is that they said you're using black power.
Oh, Mami, biakoma kwa. So you just sit down there, I've been a stand. They can't yarn all this nonsense they give you. Can't they gather and make come ask me, Mama? So I don't talk to winch now.
No.
I want bashi. Bashi ne hena yas kon kede hena okeshwe. Mo nem ne kwezoku. Because I they talk through now, they don't they call me witch. Mama, make I ask you. Me with your daughter, I resemble witch.
No.
I they do like witch.
No.
I they behave like witch.
No. You are not a witch.
Imane zoku bondo. Mokwa sobonwu. Nga na ekwu ezoku. Ezoku mu ekwure gbogbo. Esi na ezoku mu na ekwu adunyo na asim so rekpo ke ja ahru n'oku. So kware. Aba. Ogono.
You're right. It's just that public opinion destroys faster than war.
Mama, until like public opinion, if you dey look, they hear what people they talk, you go become nothing. When meta, and get merotu we merote, imemema boku, imerunjo boku, onwo himeri abugoku. Nyabune, imara rugu doi, megiren, kubeka goto, Make chetekwa na kubeka wata bogana hands up. No be mara nke doy I megren. I mara nke adgo ejihe izenen. Okudre like that. But me we be chisom. Mama, I go continue the talk through.
I heard you. My prayer is that God Almighty will help you.
Amen, Mama.
And help us in this village.
Amen. Amanse.
Tom.
It'll be small clearing and forwarding they do for you.
Yeah, so nobody will do it for me now. So make I just have drawn on my land.
Well done.
Yes. I say I go come see you. I've been hearing so many rumors.
I know.
Yeah, but yeah, you know, they said you are spiritually dangerous. That is what everybody is saying in the village.
You good now? Fear go make them leave me alone. You don't understand?
See, so fear can still make them attack you. That's the problem. But no worry. I stand with you for your back.
Amanse.
On where you name?
Amanse.
On where you name?
You sure say you no go wrong?
I stand. I stand like that.
I am not help you small.
No worry.
Help you
No
small
worry
now.
yourself. No worry yourself. Don't worry.
I won't go check my trap.
All right, I'll see you after I'm done.
All right, well done.
Some.
Amanse.
I can feel your presence, my husband. Oh, Obim, I can feel your presence. Your presence. Oh, my late husband. Thank you for coming to me. Thank you for hearing my voice. Please, protect your daughter. Protect our child. She needs all your protection. She's a very strong girl. I know you are proud of her. Protect her. Don't let anything happen to her, please. She's proud of you, and I know you are proud of her. I don't want to lose my child. Obim, protect your daughter. Obim.
Mama, this one why you sit down like this. Nothing they happen. You dey okay, so?
Kiss my daughter.
Yeah, Mama.
I'm afraid for you.
Oh, Mama, I don't start again. Eh? Why they always feel like this? Why they always they fear? Why they always they make me? They go back. Mama, you supposed strong like me. See, Mama, make I tell you. Monkey they jump, they clap for them now because the tree they close. Now I don't move all the trees. Go far. No trees again. Make it jump again. He go fall for ground and hand go touch him. Mama, no they fear. Fear no they stop destiny. Eh? You see what thing they do? And they fight with that small boy no collect our remaining land. You know if it happen. So you not supposed to they fear. Stand strong. Stand strong. They strong like me. Sure you get?
I've heard you, my daughter. But at the same time, do not forget where you come from.
Mama, I don't forget where I come from. I know where I come from. And I stand gidigba where I come from. I better come here with the go inside. I don't like this thing where you sit down here like this. Come here, go inside. Stand up, Mama. Let me go inside. I better go inside.
We want peace in the land, but we cannot have it. Chukwuwe n'obodo bịa keneli. Sorrows everywhere, hardship has come. Chukwuwe n'mmadụ bịa keneli. People are crying.
My elders, I was actually on my way to the village hall to see you chiefs.
What is the matter, Amanze, son of Ikowa?
My chiefs, it's because of what is going on between Okwanjefo and Chisom.
We learned that you and Chisom are close.
Bam.
Pass this message to her. that we are tired of dying. She is a woman. She should leave Okwajiofo alone. After all, Okwajiofo is a eye of the gods.
With all due respect, my chiefs. I have respect from you people. I do not expect you people to be sounding like this. Our village is on fire. Both the young and the old, everybody, nobody understands what is going on, and this thing is coming from the both of you. Expect. Cha.
In fact, listen. In fact, tell that Chisom of a girl that the chiefs want her to pay both of us a visit.
I see.
Huh?
It's both I didn't expect such from you people. In fact, this is the point I think we all should put hands together and support Chisom.
Go give her the message.
I am going, but giving her the message.
Oh, Korea.
If you leave me, I will die. No one to save me.
Chisom, he who does not listen to the council share the same fate as they do.
Ignoring advice leads to the same ruin as whom you follow.
My elders, since we are coming, I never talk anything.
Chisom, we are talking. I say we are talking.
I better narrate this one they do.
Hey.
Talk with this one.
Chisom, for the sake of peace, sanity, and clarity of this kingdom and the people living in it, please stay away from Okwajiofo. Please.
My elders, now Okwajiofo now you're not supposed to make you leave me alone. Now they torment my life, they threaten me. Me I don't do anything now. Now him not supposed to call this thing now. They tell this is what they tell me. Not be me. Not be me.
Yeah.
The elders as ordered. Please, Chisom, follow. Tiger.
My elders, I'm not going to go so. Okubiana, I law. Amaram benabon keboke. Mike peka emegunu adrebo pon. Alarm.
We want peace in the land.
Ukolie.
Epakura heliaka. Chukumwe no bodo biakeneli. Sorrow everywhere.
The village must turn against her.
You are making her stronger.
Explain.
Oppression creates heroes.
Heroes die early.
Or become legends.
Tonight, we begin a psychological warfare.
How?
Spread stories that have protection. Stack.
You are a woman, not a man.
Oh, Guinea.
Can't you listen to me for once? What I'm trying to tell you is that they are doing everything possible to tarnish your image. Your reputation is at stake here.
Hey, Mama, I get a reputation before. I get a reputation for this village. Make I ask you, because I didn't stand up what job for. Everybody now won't turn against me. You won't start with me before. I get a reputation, Mama. They ask you. Mama, see, this is the way they talk now. I go vex me. Oh. Don't even tell me this thing. Since when people die, nobody send us. Don't leave me and you. Eh? That talk what for when they talk. He get a reputation. He get a reputation. I they go collect people land here and there. He get a reputation. I they collect people property. He get a reputation. I they knock people, Mama. They knock them front and back. Kita.
Jesus.
He get a reputation. Mama, don't tell me about reputation though. Make a no verse pass like this. Don't tell me about
not a man. You are a woman, Chisom. You don't compare yourself with them. What I'm telling you is that they can turn people against you.
Mama, now this is the way they talk, now you go vex me more. Turn who? No be only me and you stand before. Anybody stand with us for this village? Who stand with us? Since when people die, no be only me and you. Now you dey here they struggle. See this Okwajofo still can say what collect this and say it belongs to his shrine. Mama, I no see, no provoke me. No make me reject your food this night because of this way they talk. Mama, no send again. Anything will happen may happen. On your caro bunya stack em ne na bo chiffon. Kai pore kana bo bemanal. Kai mama, kai maru bena bo heboke. Mama, I go and ga tumo. Mo ne go and ga to ho fruzo. Ina nu em na go mama. No dey tell me about this thing again. No dey mama, follow muzo.
Jesus, I'm your mother. You must listen to me.
Chisom, I want to ask you something. Look this community where you go see say you no get any girl with the behave like you. If you cool down look this community, you go see say no girl get your vibe. No be like say they no fit get them, but no be woman lifestyle. Waiting I won't make you know here now be say we don't plan general beating. We go soon beat you waiting no good for this community. We not gonna fear Kwaja, they fear you. Why now? As waiting. Like the small juju way you use, now they give you mother. See, make I tell you. You see that your small black witch where they say they practice. Stop am. Stop am now because me and you they close. I say make I first come warn you before they go carry your nyash come and for side. Because they say when breeze blow, you go see far nyash. If breeze blow, the way your nyash go take cast far side, you no go like them. I tell you.
Bros. So now, like this, you leave your house, leave better things where you go do to take better your life. Waka, carry this your two-legged this Benz, enter my house. Say one can advise me. So now they plan plan fire. You know what they plan for? I be Chisomo. The fearless Chisomo, I don't send you, I don't send your papa, I don't send the youth, I don't send even your Okwajofo or whatever. See, make I tell you, if una feel say I get dark juju where they protect me, they make that dark juju, that darkness, make you continue to protect me.
Shut up there.
No, tell me shut up. Don't tell me shut up.
You don't
fit do anything.
See, yeah.
You many how girl na bag na likote no name.
Okay, make we fear you. This community don't tumble. Not we get them again.
If you know they fear,
I'm the assistant youth leader for this community.
Go and sit down.
I just come make I give you information.
I say go and sit down. If you know they fear me, no go there. The yarn nonsense they give me.
No be nonsense. Now because of general beating make me come to save you on time. You my person.
Make I ask you
because
one
I go join hand with men. They go digga you for body.
We don't know if you do anything. But make I ask you one question, and I won't make you answer me that question straight, bros.
What's in that?
Not be your mama. What for the night now?
Which kind stupid talk be that? You mad? Which kind of which time say?
You see, what?
Oh, no worry.
No
worry. Now me find your problem. No worry.
Because
I can't give you advice. Now him bring this talk.
Go tell Okwajofo me stop to the knock your mama before you go call advise me. As no you kuna agba be ada chokereku.
Now because
say kuna agba be dia na be
because they know they knock your mama. Now why you get moral?
You sugar be afu mo.
Because they know they knock your mama.
Bari make you na kote no na me.
Because they know they knock your mama. No worry. No, it's okay.
Go advise me. Me woro catapult my bawa gishi na kote no na me.
Don't be like saying me you want. They fear you.
They
fear you.
They fear matter.
Dana to get.
Amanze. They're supposed to fear me now. If they don't fear me, who they go fear? Now me they even supposed to fear not be that small boy where they call himself Okwajofo or Okwaweti.
Okwajofo, you are losing humanity.
my late husband, I hope you are protecting our child. She needs our protection. Nothing bad must happen to her. She is a brave child, like a man. Oh, protect her, please. Please protect your child. Protect her, please.
Somiso. Chisom. Afana. Chisom. See, some I dey get this feeling like see war won't start.
So if one won't start, make wetin happen now. If one won't start, make it start. Aya dama aya la. You what I?
So like this, you know the fear. You know you're not afraid of anything.
Amanzi. Look me where. Look me from hesh. Then open Lermanya badana zokoma. I resemble who they fear for your eyes? No.
So I know why I'm saying what I'm saying. That man is not about somebody that you just come and play with.
So make her come begin the fear. Because they won't start. Because of that small boy. Because of that Okwaji offer. See, make her tell you. I am ready. I'm ready for this war where you see say they feel and say they come back.
You don't come.
I'm ready. Ima no le me ya na mbo nwata kri maybe na mo doja. But I go show and say na mo bu nunu kekereke me hwe adire. Aya no so biagre. Kai luman kobo.
I dey with you.
You sure say you dey with me? You sure say you dey with me? You no go run.
I dey with you.
No be for mouth.
I dey with you.
I'm not going anywhere.
Morale high.
See,
the resistance is growing.
It is not resistance. It is awakening.
Call it what you want. That girl is disrupting the structure of fear that keeps this village obedient.
Fear is not a structure. It is poison.
Poison can be useful when controlled. Do you know that?
And when it's beyond control,
you doubt me these days.
you are changing.
I'm not changing, I'm evolving.
No, you are panicking.
There's one thing you fail to understand. I built this authority from nothing.
You built it with manipulation.
Hell no. I built it from strength.
Strength does not require one to sleep with blood relative to increase power.
Be careful. Watch your tongue.
Be honest.
If I ever fall, everything falls with me.
Maybe something new needs to rise.
Prepare for binding ritual tonight. We are going to attack her. There's no going back.
Chisom, did you feel that thing? The tension in the air.
I feel am. What's going to happen?
Chisom, something is coming, and this time, this one is different.
Different how?
Like a spiritual attack, not rumors.
Spirit attack? If na spirit fight, spirit go fight spirit now.
Baby Akwa, why you dey always talk like say you get something wey dey back you for back? Abi, you believe say your papa, your late father still stand with you like this?
Amazi, I'm not sure, but I know say I no dey alone. I dey feel am time to time say something dey behind me, something powerful, something very strong. But I no fit pinpoint wetin e really be, but I dey feel am say something dey behind. Dey something.
I don't know wetin that thing be, but whatever that thing be wey stand for your back, make it dey guide the two of us.
Guide two of us. Now me and you follow on this word.
I know what I am saying. Something is off.
My child, did you feel anything today?
Yes, Mama. I feel am.
That is how your father used to feel before confronting injustice.
Mama, if I fall...
Oh, don't speak like that. You are not walking into death. You are walking into your destiny. Yes.
Mama, just dey ask. Mama, no one leave you.
My
no
child,
one leave you, Mama.
You will not lose me. And I will not lose you. I will not lose you. Just be courageous. Okay? Be positive.
He's here. Papa is here?
Yes, your father is here.
Oh, babe. Oh, baby is here. Oh.
Chisom.
Who be this one now? What did they do for here? You can't spy me, I'll be waiting. What did they do for here?
I have not come to spy on you.
So what you come day here they do? What you day here now they do?
I have come to warn you.
You have come to warn me. Hey! If not this thing now where they talk, now I carry you come here now say you won't come warn me. Warn me for waiting. What did they warn me for? I resemble person where they want for your eyes. I resemble person where they want for your eyes. Want me against or quite job for I be against waiting. See, I don't want to follow you talk. You see as this sun they hit now, they hit me for brain. And if I turn this brain upside down, I go make you turn to what you know go understand this afternoon.
He is trying to break your spiritual shield.
Make it come now. If he sure say if he break me, make it come break me now. I know they run. I pin. I gallant. I stand. It no fit. And you myself no say you no fit. See, if na this thing carry you come here, I don't tell you. Now me they warn you now. Make you turn your face where you turn your back. Because if I change that for you now, you go no say no human being dey that place where you dey look. Now me and you stand here. If I change that for you, no go understand your color again. I dey tell you the truth.
I know you do not fear him. You are stronger than he expected. But this is no time for bravery.
So, you know say me I no fear am. Now you can't still get my say one call they warn me. Eh? So now make I ask you, now you don't ready to stand for truth? You don't ready to stand for truth? What make you now can't change your mind, can't they tell me all these things? After you don't do everything where you want to do, you call here now, call the nonsense give me. If not be one thing, what up, mama, come, I'm just swap all your email. I quote on him. Why not you go shabe for? Shabe for. I want to be about guam anything or Zomaka, the Korean up where, or qua Joffo, or qua Jimbe. And one can tell him, I'm Muchisom. Ishak Boncha one. Otoyan Abarizu. Abasizu, Abaria, where our body magician I quote on him. Ndera. Dear Utamo kwajo for this, or kwajo for me on one. I don't know kwajo for no Buddha. Or Guinea.
We want peace in the land, but we cannot have it. Chukumwe no bodo biakeneli. Sorrows everywhere, hardship has come. Chukumwe no mado biakeneli. People are crying, they want their justice. Chukumwe no bodo biakeneli. Fear in the land. Onyekai Wakuru no bodo. Chukumwe no bodo biakeneli.
Now the villagers now, those say they fear me now, I don't understand.
That reminds me. I'm beginning to question you.
Good. You good as they question now.
Yes. So, like this now, change don't become small.
Change they come small. We don't understand.
You don't they come at least now on why you want to go there quietly. Small, step by step.
No, I
don't see the reason why one person would think that only him can.
Imagine. So when we just watch, they see how it go be. You don't understand. Papa, if you dey here, stand well.
There's a good news.
Which kind of good news can carry come in?
I spoke to some elders.
And?
They are beginning to question him.
Fear they reduce?
Yes. But reduction is dangerous to some.
To who?
To him and also you.
Amanze. For Kwajo for one fight. May you come open fight. I know they fear him. You get?
So this might not be an open battle.
You go still stand.
You sure?
Till the end.
I dare your back.
You go see the end. Oh, your boss, Mpea.
I dare your back.
You sure?
So, my child, I can feel something shifting.
I feel it too, Mama.
You feel it too? Your father used to say that when power begins to shake, then truth is near.
But Mama, if Papa's spirit dey protect me, why you never show face?
My child, spirits reveal themselves only when the moment is complete.
Yes. The moment never reach.
No, not yet. But it's closer than before.
You are encouraging rebellion.
I'm encouraging courage.
Courage destroys order.
Fear kills dignity.
You are too small to challenge me.
Maybe I'm not alone.
You rely on a girl.
No, I rely on the truth.
Truth does not protect you from consequences.
Neither does manipulation.
You again? What you carry you come here again?
It's still me. I have come to confess.
We have come to confess. I've been still warning I carry you come here again.
No. He is afraid.
Eh, now that one a normal thing now. I don't say they fear. Fear don't catch him now. Fear don't body. Even if you not talk, I myself I know. I know saying they fear. So talk another thing.
No, he is really scared.
Na good thing now. A good thing. You good. How the whole village go to fear one person? How the whole village go to fear one person? You self you know they check him. A good man himself they fear him. Make fear they catch him small. Make him feel what other people they feel because of him. You know get?
He saw something at the shrine today.
Something? What did he see?
A shadow.
Tall shadow, Abi.
Yes. Chisom. Who protects you?
Why they ask me? Why they ask me to protect me? Now blood. Blood now they protect me.
That means the war is almost over.
Nah. But why even stand here they listen to? Why even they listen to these things where they talk? Sabe they come out. Sabe shift. They hear they talk like better person. Come out. I said they go before I change you. Oh mama good now. Papa, time don dey near.
It's like this Chisom of a girl is bringing light into this village. Maybe I should start secretly praying for her and then help her. I will be praying for her. It's good that Chisom refused what we said. If not, by now, Anosike would have lost his land as I lost my own. Yes.
The great Okajofo says that nobody should buy for her again. You should not enter anybody's house in this community again. If anybody is found, you will be dead alive. That stupid guy, nobody should visit her again. And nobody should buy for her again.
As waiting, as who you be. Okwajiofo, this one way they do, the gods no send you. You just do am on your own. But ma tell you, you no go fit still do me anything. Ihe bubu, Okwaji nothing.
I have taken your matter more serious now. Before I thought you were just a rat. Which you're still a rat. But today, I will strip you off the solution. I have started with you already.
Okwajiofo, Ipe, watakiri bible. Watakiri bible. Onwegi neme, because kususurushim nuzofo. Onwegi neme Okwajiofo. Ibubu Okwaji nothing. Onwegi iji. Onwegi iji, onwegi neme. Agin.
Okwajiofo, the man that treads within the spirit, the man that talks and the spirit keeps quiet. Who are you in this body? I, Okwajiofo, I have trembled upon fire and I came out on hot. Who are you in this body? Who are you in this body? I command you, come out! Come out! I have sacrificed blood. I have bound spirit. I have bent this village to her knees. You are the least of my problem. No wandering ghost shall challenge you. I command you. Come out! Come out of this body!
Okwajiofo. You dey shout. Now fear they make you shout now. Fear don't catch you. If not be fear, what's gonna make you dey shout for me like this?
Fear.
Now fear now.
I have conquered fear even before I was born. I, Okwajiofo, when I talk, men tremble. When I talk, women lower their gaze. I command ancestral silence. I have cut off unseen bounds. I, Okwajiofo, I crush hidden guidance. I command ancestral spirits.
Okwajiofo, stop this.
Quiet! Your protection ends now. Out! Out! How dare you reveal yourself to me? How brazen. I break you!
Okwajiofo, agwara m gị agwa na dinta na-agba egbe n'okwute n'ala mgbonya n'iyi ma nkịta na-achụ mgbada ya agbaji ọsọ hụmana Chukwu kere mgbada ọsọ bidoro. You never see anything. This one is just the beginning.
Yes. This is manipulation. This is an illusion. I command the shrine! Fight! Atakatabo! Come out and fight!
Okwajo, it is over.
No! It is not over. I built this shrine! I sacrifice blood! Okwajiofo, I refuse to fall! I refuse to fall!
It's him! It's him! Papa!
Power will be by fear. I don't fear you. I mean, I tell you something. From today, nobody for this village will go ever fear you again. You don't do.
Peace in the land, but we cannot have it. Sorrows everywhere, hardship has come. People are crying, they want their justice. Fear in the land.
The wind roars because its master is around. The thunder speaks because it recognizes authority. This village trembles because of me, not the gods. They think they can challenge me, a mere girl who speaks in riddles and childish defiance. I built fear into the bones of Omwako. I shaped the obedience of rebels.
Cousin, the fear is changing. It's no longer bent. It is turning into anger.
Anger without power is noise. And I, Okwajiofo, I crush noise. I will not be undone by a child. I will not be mocked in my own kingdom. I command spirits! Spirits of our forefathers, and not nursery rhymes. Spirits that crowned me, spirits that strengthens my hands, rise. Rise! Rise! Do not taste my patience. You will perform the binding ritual right now, stronger than before.
Okwajo, you have taken enough from me.
I own you. Your strength is my strength. Your body is my gateway. Do not forget your place.
The gateway is closing.
Never! I am the gate. I am the lock. I am the key.
Onye na-aga chakwa n'ụzọ, ikuku chakwa n'ụzọ, dịka ọgụ n'agha ọnọkwa n'ụzọ, ọnọkwa n'ụzọ, aya, aya, chakwa n'ụzọ, ọnọkwa n'ụzọ, ọnọkwa n'ụzọ, ọnọkwa n'ụzọ, nwoke mmadụ, aya.
Prepare my path.
Okirikiri ka na-ekiri ukwu osisi mana adịghị arị ya enu. Kiribe na oke mmadụ nọ n'ọgbọnọ na mmụọ na-atụ ya egwu.
Today, I will remind Umuako why my name is carved into their nightmares. No one talks above me. No one breathes without my permission.
Come out and answer us.
Show your face! We don't come fight, we come end fear.
Okwajefo! Come out!
So you think because the wind did not answer me, I am finished? Power It's not storm. It's in the wheel.
Your will has fed on fears. Wait here, man.
Okwajofo, fear don't finish. Make I tell you something. I say fear don't finish. Nobody fear you for this village again.
Nobody.
Na me choose something, na me they tell you.
So.
Oh, yeah, to get no bodo no more. So. Voilà. Fear don't finish.
I have walked too far in darkness to be undone by daylight courage. You think silence is weakness? You fools. Seal the gates.
See, see, make I tell you, we no dey fear gates. Gates no be heaven door. We no be fear gates. If you like, seal the whole of this compound, nothing dey happen. Now fear will come here, come end. If you think say to lock that gate, you go come put fear for our body, it no fit happen. It no fit happen. I pin. You no fit do anything. Calm down, man.
I restrained myself because I wanted obedience. But now, I will rule by force again. Okaramaro, Okaramuo. Okaramaro, Okaramuo. Okaramaro, Okaramuo. Okaramaro, Okaramuo. Okaramaro, Okaramuo. Okaramaro, Okaramuo. Spirit of my covenant, I renew my path.
Okwajofo, stop! This will consume you.
Let it consume the weak. You see? I am eternal. I am the greatest. This is not a bargain. This is not a bargain.
We want peace in the land, but we cannot have it. Chukunwe no bodo biakeneli. Sorrows everywhere, hardship has come. Chukunwe no mado biakeneli. People are crying, they want their justice. Chukunwe no bodo biakeneli. Fear in the land. Onyeka igabakuru no bodo. Chukunwe no bodo biakeneli. Oh, life is finished, obodo no no so. Chukwu nwenu mmadu bịa keneli. The wicked is coming ọnọkwa n'ọlụ. Oh, Chukwu na Peter bịa keneli. Sorrows everywhere, people are crying. Kedunu Chukwu na zebere bịa keneli. Oh, life is finished, mmadụ agwụkwana n'obodo. Oh, Chukwu na Peter bịa keneli. Oh, Chukwu na Peter bịa kefana. Oh, Chukwu na zebere bịa keneli. Do 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 do. Don't you go na zebere bịa keneli. If you leave me, I will die. No one to save me. Dodo Chukwu na zebere bịa keneli. Mmadụ agwụkwana n'obodo, mmadụ nọ n'afụfụ. Biko Chukwu na Peter bịa keneli. Mmadụ nọ n'akwa, mmadụ nọ n'ahịhịọ. O Chukwu na zebere malitenu. Mmadụ nọ n'ebe afụfụ dị n'obodo anyị o. O Chukwu na Peter malite n'ụra. Do 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 do. O Chukwu na zebere bịa